now we have some pom-poms, all different colors. Dawson, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. What would you like?
Blue.
Okay. Can you ask me? I want the blue pom-pom.
I want the blue pom-pom.
Nice job. Grab it, friend. I want the purple pom-pom. You do it.
I want the purple pom-pom.
Nice job, Dawson. Where do you want next?
Orange.
Orange. He says orange. All right. I want
Orange. Orange pom-pom.
Nice job. You said I want orange pom-pom.
I want the green pom-pom. I want the red pom-pom.
Nice job. You used your words and you finished. Nice work. Ooh, those are some nice tweezers, and they pinch. So we're gonna take the tweezers and we're gonna try to pick up the things. Find the red pom-pom. So when we hold tweezers, we want to pinch them with our fingers, just like this, like we're talking. Bop, 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 bop. Sometimes grips can be a difficult thing for young learners, and so we are going to practice holding some tweezers. Hold that tweezer for me so you can pinch. So as you can see, his grip is a little bit silly and funny. So what we do is, all right, ready? You're going to take the ball and you're going to hold it. So I want you to hold the ball. Ready? Open these two fingers and your thumb. You're going to hold the tweezers with these fingers and keep the ball in your hand. Can you get your grip? Nice job. Sometimes that helps with improving the grip by having a little ball, a tissue, anything jammed in the palm of the hand. Nice work. Okay. So the same with scissors. You can have them put their thumb on top, fingers on the bottom, then put something in the palm of their hand to keep these fingers out of the way so that they can focus on these ones. Are you ready? All right, so Dawson, he's gonna put his thumb on top, thumb on top, fingers on the bottom, and then ready? Hold your ball. Ooh, now open and close. Nice job. Hey Dawson, how are you?
Yeah.
Today we are gonna work on using scissors to cut paper. It is going to be a great time. Have you ever used scissors before?
No.
Oh, they can be a little bit tricky, so you have to practice. The first thing we have to do is work on how to hold our scissors. I'm gonna give you these scissors. These have a little spring that helps to make them open and close. These are great for children who are just starting to use scissors. So we're gonna stick them in. Your thumb is gonna be on top and your two fingers in the bottom. You go snip, 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 snip. So this thumb goes right in here, and two fingers go right underneath. Then practice. Practice making it go snip, snip. Ready? Watch. Watch. Wait, wait, wait. We're just doing the snip, snip. Ready? Snip, snip. Your turn. Nice. Now that we have our thumb on top and finger on the bottom, we're ready to do some cutting. Dawson, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the paper so it's easier for Dawson to cut. Oh, I have the paper hanging off the table. Now he's going to cut the paper up into the table. Ready? So we're going to start here. Open, close, open, close, open, close.